Hello, in this video we are going to fix this error that when we open AMD software it shows us this error that AMD software is not compatible with installed AMD graphics driver. So this is because Windows has automatically updated our AMD graphics driver and now AMD software is not working with the updated driver. So in this video we are going to see two things. First is that we are going to replace our current version of driver with the previous driver, and the second thing is that we are going to turn off the automatic updates for the driver. So first of all we will have to click on this PC and we will have to go to manage, and here we will see computer management, and here we will have to go to device manager and we will go to display adapters, and here you will see different drivers. So this is the AMD graphics driver, so we will have to go to the properties, and here we will have to go to driver, and here we can click on rollback driver, or we can click on this update driver, and we will click on browse my computer for drivers, and we will have to click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and here you will see different drivers, so you can select the one which is unchecked. So we will be rolled back to the previous version of the driver, and we will click on next, and now it is installing the driver, and here you can see Windows has successfully updated our drivers, so we can close it, and now we will open the software, and here you can see that the software is now working, so we can close it, and now we will have to make a change in the settings so the Windows will not automatically update our drivers. So for that we will again have to click on this PC, and we will have to go to properties, and here we will have to go to advanced system settings, and here we will go to hardware, and now we will have to click on device installation settings, and here you will have to click on no. By default it will be yes, so you will have to click on no, and you can click on save changes, click OK, and now you can close it. So now Windows will not automatically update your drivers. So thank you for watching this video. Like this video and comment on this video if it worked for you, and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.